Kia ora koutou, welcome back to another skipping tutorial. My name's Sasha. Today I've got another spinny move for you where we're going to turn around in a circle. It's called the Texan turn. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like to start with. You may remember in the beginner series we learned how to do the full turn. This is a bit of a variation on that one. It's a little bit harder, hence it being in the intermediate series. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so it's a cool move and you don't have to jump. So if you don't want to do those jumps at the start and the end, then you don't have to. That's all good. Let's break it down a little bit. So to start with, we do the same movement that we've done in a couple of other videos where we bring the rope over and we sweep the rope along the ground and we turn our body halfway round. Yeah? So you'll remember that. So come over the top, sweep the rope along the ground, and then we're pointing halfway round. Once we get to the halfway round is when we swing the rope up and over our shoulders. Okay, this is where it can get a little bit tricky. You might get a little bit tangled up. So sweep the rope, take it up over your shoulders. We need to keep rotating our body though, so that the rope comes with us as we keep turning all the way around to the front. So we sweep the rope, throw it over your shoulders and keep turning. And then the rope will come with you. So how I try to explain it is like you're putting on a cape. Like this is your cape, your superhero cape. So we come round to the front. So it needs to go sort of down your body. So we're not sort of holding it up in the air. It just sort of moves the rope. See how the rope moves with my body? And as I am turning back this way, it's pointing down my back. So it comes with me and then over the top. A little bit tricky. Let's have a look in slow-mo. There you go. So that's called the Texan turn. It's another cool little way to turn around in a circle with your rope. So the full turn was this one. We have it out the front. The Texan turn, when you throw it over your shoulder, keep moving, come round. It's a cool one. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video. Kia kite anō.